everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Sephora Yves Saint Laurent. Make Me Blush 1-2H Blurring Liquid Blush. This price is $39. Color 40 for Nude Lavalliere Iconic Dusty Nude Pink. A highly pigmented and creamy liquid to powder blush that's blendable, buildable, and melts into skin for a blurring, soft cloud finish and up to 12 hours of wear. Color 50 for Berry Bang Deep Red Berry. This is a weightless and long-lasting liquid blush with a creamy formula. Color 66 Fuchsia Fling Bright Pop of Pink. That stays all day and dries like your favorite powder blush. It's ultra-buildable for a healthy flush or rush of vibrant color and easily blendable for a blurred, soft cloud skin finish. Color 57 Coral Class Light Peachy Coral. Apply one dot and blend with fingers for a healthy flush of color. Color 69 Lavender Lust Soft Lavender. Apply to dots and blend upward for a boosted blush. Color 37 Peachy Nude Warm Pink Nude. Apply 3 dots and blend for a rush of color. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.